भैया पे सर एक मिनट Andhra Pradesh government started EAGLE. EAGLE is the Elite Anti-Narcotics Group for Law Enforcement. The main task of EAGLE is to curb the drug menace in Andhra Pradesh. Today, across the state, we are conducting joint raids in all Orissa-bound trains, especially GRP, RPF, local police and EAGLE teams. They are all forming as a team and we are conducting raids. In last 6 months, we caught almost 21,736 kgs of ganja. Majority of the ganja, it came from backward linkages from Orissa. So we are focusing the modes of transport from Orissa, not only trains but also buses and other things also we are monitoring. Today, in entire state, 26 districts, these raids are being conducted. And we will continue these raids in future also. Every week, 3 raids will be conducted. And we want to curb this drug menace and chains of ganja also. In future also, we will conduct these particular raids. And we appeal the public to give information to 1972 call center of EAGLE. Thank you.
सर ये जो ट्रेन्स और बसों के बारे में बताया था, आगे चलकर जो है एयरपोर्ट के अंदर भी कुछ कार्रवाई करने वाला है, एयरपोर्ट के अंदर भी.
It is based on information. We will definitely do. It all depends on information. Yes.
Proof of concept to establish the zero tolerance towards narcotics and psychotropic substances in the state of Andhra Pradesh, with the aim of establishing no drug zone in the entire state of Andhra Pradesh. We have started, it is all known that the government of Andhra Pradesh has started an elite group for anti-narcotics and law enforcement called as EAGLE. So in the aegis of EAGLE, in coordination with RPF, GRP, local police and all other stakeholders including NGOs, we are conducting sudden raids throughout the state of Andhra Pradesh, concentrating on the trains which are coming from the state of Orissa. So we have established that we have already seized 21,736 kgs of ganja this year in the year 2025. And we have established that the backward linkages are mostly from the state of Orissa. We have already established total no cultivation zone of ganja in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and now we are focusing on preventing this illicit trafficking of ganja from interstate borders. So border state checkposts have already been established, and within the state of Andhra Pradesh we are leaving no scope for the transport and transmission of ganja in any form, whether it is in the form of chocolates, in the form of other narcotics and psychotropic substances like some powders, MDMA drugs and things like that. So any form of narcotics and psychotropic substances, any form of illicit trafficking of this NDPS is totally being eradicated in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the proof of concept for this is today's raid throughout the state of Andhra Pradesh in all the trains, mainly focusing on the trains which are coming from the interstate borders, which are illicitly trafficking ganja and other forms of ganja in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And today, under the leadership of EAGLE, our IG, Sri R.K. Ravikrishna sir, along with the coordination with the CP Vijayawada, Sri S.V. Rajshekhar Babu, as well as GRP police and railway police, we have conducted the raid in Coromandel Express, and we have seized some sort of chocolates in the form, the ganja in the form of chocolates, and we are establishing both the forward and backward linkages of those chocolates. The case is being registered by the railway police, and we'll go into the details of it. And I also wish to bring to the notice of all the public through media that we are establishing zero tolerance to ganja in any form, zero tolerance to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.